Choosing the right CB radio can be tricky. Weak signal range, limited band support, poor audio quality, and bulky designs often disappoint users. That's why modern CB radios are stepping up with higher power output, multi-band coverage, smart features, and better portability. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best CB radios of 2026, designed for truckers, off-road users, hobbyists, and emergency communication. We researched specs, real user feedback, and performance to create this list. All product links are in the description for latest prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more radio and tech reviews. Number 5. BAJETON BJ9000 GPS APRS CB Radio. The BAJETON BJ9000 is a powerful 10-watt CB radio packed with advanced features like GPS, APRS, and Bluetooth programming. It supports 27 MHz CB, along with SSB and HF bands, making it versatile for long-range communication. NOAA weather alerts keep you informed in emergencies, while shortwave reception adds extra functionality. Designed to work seamlessly with RT-950 series radios, it offers strong signal clarity, stable performance, and flexible connectivity. A great choice for users who want smart features with solid CB performance. Number 4. Iradio UV98+ Multi-Band CB Radio. The Iradio UV98+ is a feature-rich multi-band CB and ham radio designed for serious radio enthusiasts. It supports CB, SW, MW, LW, HF, and airband frequencies with AM, SSB, CW, and USB modes. The large 2.4-inch display offers clear visibility, while USB charging ensures convenience on the go. Crossband repeater support adds flexibility, making it ideal for monitoring and communication across multiple bands. This radio is perfect for users who want maximum frequency coverage in one device. Number 3. Anytone ARES II 10-meter CB radio. The Anytone ARES II is a high-performance 10-meter CB radio built for power and clarity. Operating across 28.000 to 29.695 MHz, it supports AM, FM, USB, LSB, and PA modes with up to 40 watts output. Features like Vox, Noise Blanker, and ANL ensure clean audio even in noisy environments. Its strong transmission power makes it excellent for long-distance communication, especially for mobile and base station setups. This radio is ideal for experienced users who demand serious performance. Number 2. Quansheng TK11-8 Dual Receive CB Radio. The Quansheng TK11-8 is a compact yet powerful CB radio offering 10-watt output with dual receiving capability. It supports AM, SSB, CW, LSB, and covers 27 MHz CB along with LW, MW, and SW bands. Type-C charging adds modern convenience, while NOAA weather alerts improve safety during outdoor or travel use. Designed as an upgrade for UV-K5 users, it delivers clear audio, reliable signal strength, and flexible operation, a strong option for users wanting advanced modes in a portable form. Number 1. Radtel RT-950 GPS APRS CB Radio. The Radtel RT-950 is the most advanced CB radio on this list, combining 10-watt power with GPS, APRS, and Bluetooth app-based programming. It supports 27 MHz CB, along with SW, MW, LW, AM, and HF reception, offering outstanding versatility. NOAA weather alerts enhance emergency readiness, while phone programming makes setup quick and simple. With strong signal performance, smart features, and wideband coverage, this radio is perfect for travel, off-road use, and serious CB enthusiasts. These CB radios offer powerful transmission, wideband support, and modern features like GPS, APRS, and NOAA alerts. Whether you need long-range communication, multi-band monitoring, or portable reliability, there's a perfect option here. Which CB radio fits your needs? Comment below and subscribe for more tech reviews.